You can program your Chroma microwave oven to cook in 2 or 3 stages. This is especially useful in cooking certain dishes which may require more than one cooking mode. For example, you can set your oven to operate on the microwave mode during the first stage and then on convection mode in the next. Press power level to set microwave cooking power. The microwave icon and 1S for the first stage are displayed. Key in the cooking time. The programming for the first stage is now complete. Then press convection repeatedly to set convection temperature. The convection icon and 2S for second stage are displayed. Key in the convection cooking time. This completes the second stage of programming. Press Start. The countdowns for the 2 stages are displayed sequentially. 1S and the microwave icon are displayed during the first stage. 2S and the convection icon are displayed during the second. When cooking is over, the oven beeps 5 times and End is displayed. Wait defrost, quick start and menu cook cannot be used in multi-stage cooking.